If you're learning the language but not improving because the apps you use teach random words and YouTube videos are too disconnected, then you'll want structured lessons that build on each other. And that's how our lessons and learning system work, and you'll see how in just a bit. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. How to get a structured path of lessons. First things first is, where do you get the lessons? The moment you sign up for a free lifetime account, you get access to all the lessons. Once you're in and set your level, we'll give you a pathway of lessons that match your level. It's all laid out for you to follow, from lesson 1 to 2 to 3 until the end. You'll see lesson 1 on your dashboard, so click Go to Lesson to get started. And each lesson is about 3 to 15 minutes, so you can finish one anytime you have a few spare minutes. Since the lessons are audio and video format, you can just listen or watch, which makes it way easier to consume than reading a textbook, and you can listen on the go with our app, Innovative Language Learning. How do the lessons work? So you might be wondering, how do lessons actually work? Well, it's super straightforward, and it's all designed to help you learn as quickly and naturally as possible. All you have to do is press play on a lesson. All lessons are hosted by real teachers and native speakers, so you're getting authentic language right from the start. First, you'll hear a conversation between 2 native speakers. Then we'll play it again, this time slowed down and translated for you. After that, our teachers explain the main grammar point, the words, and any cultural nuances that pop up. Finally, you'll hear the conversation one last time, but now you'll actually understand it. When you're done, we'll guide you to the next lesson in the pathway, which will build on what you just learned. So you start with basics like greetings in lesson 1. Then in lesson 2, you're introducing yourself. By lesson 3, you're asking how someone is, and all the way from beginner to advanced. Extra tricks for learning faster. Now, there are tricks you can use to learn even faster with our lessons. First, you can read along with the free lesson transcript as you listen or watch. You'll find the transcript inside every lesson. Following along makes sure you understand every word, and it really helps you learn faster. Second, you should replay and re-listen to the lessons. You can also download lessons to review offline. But the point here is that the more you listen, the better the language will stick. It's kind of like playing songs on repeat, and some of our learners play these lessons on repeat like you do with songs. Third, if you have questions, just leave a comment on the lesson. Our teachers are there to respond and help you out. And fourth, use the premium dialogue track. This track is just the conversation in the target language, no translations or anything. You can use this to immerse yourself, and you can also re-listen to it as many times as you want. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.